Today's video is about like how to reverse a video. I'm just trying to reverse this video. Let's see. This is my video and I want these steps in reverse. So I will just simply right click on this video and go to speed and duration, and here you can simply reverse the video and click on OK. And now I'm just playing the video. You can wait a minute. So as you see that my video is reversing, it sounds cool. And if you want to high the speed or fast the speed, so you can simply okay, so you can fast the speed from here and like this. Oh, this is too fast. I am choosing the speed of 5 seconds.